Nick, you're stupid.
How you get cropped out the picture? Doing shit you ain't never seen, my nigga. And she be up for being no filter. Tell me what I gotta do to get out that mixture. Everything seems so smooth, so cool. No, I'ma stay real, but I don't know about you. Yeah, I don't know about you. If I go in my head, just know it's not about you. Bitches, they be flocking to the left side. And all the birds, they be flocking to the bread, right? If it don't work first, do it 10 times. Before you see that green light, you see that red light. I can text them, yeah, I won't text send. And I don't love a thought, yeah, that's what text said. All these dollar bills, turn them to my best friend. If I send them shooters, let them know who sent them, yeah. Whoa, yeah. On the real, really had to be real with ya. Whoa, yeah. On the real, she don't even need no filter. How you get cropped out the picture? Doing shit you ain't never seen, my nigga. And she be up for being no filter. Tell me what I gotta do to get out that mixture. Everything seems so smooth, so cool. No, I'ma stay real, but I don't know about you. Yeah, I don't know about you. If I go in my head, just know it's not about you.
In my penthouse, I've been vibing on the west side. Always baked, it took a while to get my bread right. You might think she average, but shorty my type. Her body started looking better cause the hair right. No, I'm from the 6, but I'm from the West End. And I can hit your girl and she gon' bring her best friend. Tryna stay low key, my boys be bringing packs in. I don't got a front, they know I get the back end. On the real, I just had to be real with you. I just bought the beat and I'ma speak with no filter. You ain't trust my vision, now you cropped out the picture. Pay for all your cases like I did that shit with you. I don't got no filter, I'm never coming to get you. If you just kept it real, I would be counting up with you. I'm a one-man army and I see hate on my radar. Ready for the smoke, I keep an AK for AR. Smoking weed all day, I'm kicked up watching the playoffs. Cause I'm still making money when I'm taking the day off.
How you get cropped out the picture? Doing shit you ain't never seen, my nigga. And she be up for being no filter. Tell me what I gotta do to get out that mixture. Everything seems so smooth, so cool. No, I'ma stay real, but I don't know about you. Yeah, I don't know about you. If I go in my head, just know it's not about you. How you get cropped out the picture? Doing shit you ain't never seen, my nigga. And she be up for being no filter. Tell me what I gotta do to get out that mixture. Everything seems so smooth, so cool. No, I'ma stay real, but I don't know about you. Yeah, I don't know about you. If I go in my head, just know it's not about you.
What do you want? Cut my grass low, see the snakes all in my lawn. Tell me what you want, got a party inside my trunk. What do you want? All my haters mad that I'm on ASAP with XO, tell me what else do you want?
What do you want? Is it a car with the stars? Tell me what you want. What do you want? What do you want? XO with ASAP, tell me what else you want. She licking the tip, she put it on her tongue. She smoking my dick, she coughing up her lung. Please don't run, please don't run. She open her leg, I eat that thing for lunch. I get in the zone, I give it a bone, I tell her let's have fun. A couple of rounds, the 5 to 4 to 3 to 2 to 1. They come to my house, they booty bounce, it's like it's 3 to 1. Feeling my touch, fucking that bitch and she licking my nuts. It's no love, riding a coupe and she feeling my life. Baby, it's my life. Snakes in the grass and I tell you no lie, You would rather die tonight, don't tell me no lie. Look in my eye, what do you want?
Cut my grass low, see the snakes all in my lawn. Tell me what you want, got a party inside my trunk. What do you want? All my haters mad that I'm on ASAP with XO, tell me what else do you want?
What do you want? Is it a car with the stars? Tell me what you want. What do you want? What do you want? XO with ASAP, tell me what else you want.
Try to diss me and take my lane, you won't go far. Got an ounce and a hammer inside my go yard. Went from one papers to smoking by the jar. Just cause it's Japanese don't mean that that's a foreign car. Growing up in Southside Rex still wasn't fun. Just happy walking, know some people on the run. Shouldn't have a clean record with the shit I done. I won't say shit cause I know how to bite my tongue. I flew Frost to LA when he landed, get whatever he want. I'm smoking about a pound with him, I'm smoking about a ton. Gave him a diamond chain cause I'ma make another one. Spooked your girl, she saw me in a ghost, I asked her what she want.
I'ma slide anytime you want. Put you in Chanel, I'ma teach you how to stand. 21, slip and slide like a waterfall. You need some TLC, we can creep if you want. 21, hey, turn your phone off, take your clothes off. 21, I'm a savage, but I fuck her to a slow song. 21, turn the lights down, 21, lay the pipe down. 21, I ain't Mr. Right, but I'm Mr. Right now. Straight up, she want me to fuck her to Beyonce. Straight up, but I don't treat her like she my fiance. God. Make that thing sing like Sade. 1942, it ain't no Chardonnay. In a lounge truck, yeah, with my Richard on. Yeah, got a pretty girl that I'm feeling on. We in quarantine, but my M's long. But it lame, he got friends on. Got a couple spots, and they all on. Bought a penthouse, cause I'm never home. Threw my heart out the window, feelings gone. Threw my heart out the window, but I'ma slide anytime you want. Put you in.
What's up, chat? What up? Sorry I was late. Yo, it took me for some reason I had to log into all my like my OBS, my YouTube, my training view, like everything just restarted for some reason. But I mean, it is what it is. Good morning. Good morning, chat. Good morning, everyone. NFP Friday, 7:15 a.m. on a lovely morning. Let's get this shit started, man. Good morning from San Antonio. Good morning from Toronto. You drank yourself? Nah, man. I can't be late. Only you guys can be late. I can't be late, right? Think about it. Think about it. In that post, I never said 6:30. Okay, well, you know, that post it said don't be late for tomorrow's stream. I never said the time. So I can't be late. You guys can be late though. Let's get it. Hey, good morning. It was so long. Well, I'm sorry, man. I don't know what to tell you, brother. I need the intros to be long in order for the streak to be alive, man. I need the long intros. Oh shit, San Antonio. Yeah. All right. Damn. All right. Welcome, guys. Welcome. Let me just. I'm trying to find. All right. All right. Hold on, chat. All right. So what do we got going on today? News. You have NFP, right? You have NFP at 8:30 a.m. Eastern. You have non-farm payroll for US dollar. Should be interesting. I think they're expecting the NFP news to come out. Numbers good. They're expecting good numbers here today. So let's see. It's gonna be interesting. Yeah, they're expecting good numbers. So let's see. They're expecting good numbers. So technically good numbers for $1, therefore gold should continue down. But again,
I guess we'll never know.
we're never gonna know. And news can come out however it wants to come out. It could be priced in. Yes, it could have been priced in for us. Who knows, right? So I talk about it all the time. Every news event, we say the same thing. I'm not gonna take positions on NFP. Well, I'm not gonna have biases and sell stops. I'm not gonna play that stupid game, the gambling game. I'm not gonna, take any impulsive positions. What we will do though, chat, is again stick to our plan, follow our playbook. So wait for news to sell down a little bit, and then take positions after NFP. After news to sell down, taking advantage of the volume after we know how numbers came out, right? So after we know how officially numbers came out, that's when we're gonna be taking positions. But I'm not gonna have biases and sell stops. However, we can potentially have positions before NFP today, so you can get positions from now until 8:30. Who knows? Or at least for now until 8 a.m. There is some potential on gold here, but let me just do my markets real quick. So GJ, starting off for GJ here. GJ for the weekly shows that we're bearish, right? So same exact bias we had since Sunday opening, Monday when we broke it down on stream. Same bias remains on a Friday as well. Bearish, price came down bearish. Came down towards support level. Starting to struggle here a little bit. However, I would expect now price to drop down towards the next level of support. The next level of support is down here at the 149,500 mark. So that is the next weekly target. That is my target for the week. So with that being said, weekly bias is bearish. Drop down to the daily time frame. Daily time frame shows that we're actually closed bullish here. So daily time frame, I guess you can say, create a support here. And I mean, this is the previous resistance we're in, right? So if this is the range that we're in now, then high chance what can happen here is that price may drive up today, as long as it respects the previous day count low, which is right around wrong color. As long as it respects the previous day count low, which is right around here. So as long as we respect that low, technically since we closed bullish today at support, price should be able to come up to tap 151.500. So I am looking for bias today on GJ. Initially off the fact that the day time frame closes bullish. So bias for me would be probably if we were to break above this range here. If we're able to break above 157.3, 731, around those areas right there, then high chance price may drive up towards next resistance. Next resistance chat is going to be right around here at the 151.00. Range going up in this case is going to be 32 pips. All right, the range is 32 pips. You need a closure above 150.743 for buys. And then sells, you probably want a range 2 breakout. So chat, Canada, the same situation we're in yesterday for gold when I called out the fake out. Same thing goes today. We're in a range 1 here. If we do close below 152.28, I see a lot of people taking positions for sells. You're not wrong. However, I will say that just be a bit careful. It is a range 1 breakout, and what could end up happening to you is you can get faked out. Price can come back into the range XO to continue out for a day, as the day bias is bullish. All right, so there's that for GJ. But yeah, buys will be about 150.735er. Closure. Okay, cool. Buys have a closure going up, and then gold here. Gold for weekly shows that we are bearish. So same buys you had since Monday. The next target is gonna be at 1750.500ish, around these areas right here. 1754.148, around these areas here. That is my initial target. Next, drop it down to a day time frame. Day time shows that we are bearish as well. So if you look closely on the day time frame, we actually closed right here bearish yesterday, but we did close below the support here. So I would expect this day kind of flip eventually. I want to give it some given point today, as long as it respects the previous day kind of high, which is this kind of high right here. As long as you respect the higher price, should be able to flip bearish to drive down towards the next level of support, which is going to be down here at the 17.55 mark. So I am looking for sells today. With that being said, sells for me on a smaller time frame would probably be if we were to come down and break below. Let's see, where could sells be for us? We have support right around here. Okay, so sorry, let me see the 4 hour. 4 hour, okay, cool. 4 hours is bearish here. As long as you respect the previous 4 kind of high, price should be able to flip bearish on the 4 to drive down here, as this is kind of a range we're creating here. However, there is a slight probability that price may come out to give us this new 4 kind of wick before we drive down here, since the previous bearish kind of has no top wick here. So a slight probability that might happen, but nonetheless, we won't be looking for sells anytime soon until you really break below. I'm trying to see it probably around here. I see there's some decent level support right around here, so probably below here, 1770, below there, coming down towards 1767. Below 1770 would be my sells, chat. And then for buys, for me, I guess you kind of have a range 2 already. Sorry, you need a range 2 breakout going against the bias, right? So range 2 breakout would be, I guess this is the first range here. This is the second range here. So buys would probably be above 1767, like the exact same level we had marked up yesterday for buys above. So yeah, buys will be above here, going up towards the next range here. Yeah, and then target would be like probably around like 1779 here, above 776. All right, so this is the range we're in currently. I'm gonna stay out of this range here. There's no positions for me. However, if we were to drive that back into this range here below 770 and break below support, I'm gonna probably execute on sells coming down towards 1767. However, if you do not like the sells below 17.7.208, you can take sells below 1767 instead, because below here I guess you have clean traffic until 1763. The ranges are a bit bigger, and if that's clear to you, then by all means go ahead and take it. However, I'm looking to take positions in this range here below 1770 as we're breaking back into this range. If we were to do that, only if we were to get a closure below. All right, sells below here, closure. And then I got updated his focus. Today's focus is gonna be where's my focus? NFP at US NFP. $8:30 AM Eastern. All right, chat. All right. So there's my 10-minute analysis. I'm waiting for the next person to ask me, so buy or sell on GJ and gold. It's a routine. Where's range 2? Up here. You check DMs. I reply to each and every DM. Unless you're asking, if you're asking me for money, I'm gonna probably not reply. Go ignore you. And probably never respond to you ever again. But if you're asking, logical questions, or like if you're just, showing support or whatever, then yeah, I'll reply to you. I do get a lot of DMs in a day though. So. Mood, man. Oh, we're time for you to drop zones. Weekly, daily, 4-hour, 1-hour, 30-minute time frame. However, I'm looking for, right now I have my zones currently on the 30-minute time frame, as I'm looking for entries on the 30-minute time frame, 30-minute time frame. Try, I feel like yo, chat, was I have a weird feeling that today's gonna be a weird day. Was yesterday a weird day in chat? What song? Moon Man. Young Thug, Kikadi. Yo, chat, was yesterday weird? I don't think yesterday was weird. I'm trying to remember, because if yesterday was weird, then today should be chill. But if yesterday was weird, I don't think yesterday was fine, I think. If yesterday wasn't weird, then today is gonna be really, really weird, man. Oh, the whole fun account situation? Nah, that wasn't weird. I don't think that was that bad. I think that was just chat reacting to whatever, but I'm talking in terms of like weird questions, or like, you guys know what I mean. If you've been here for a while, you know what I mean. But if you're new here, then you're like, what are you talking about? Trade's taken already? Nah, that was yesterday. Sorry, I got delete it. That was yesterday's stream. Trade's taken, trade's called. Got delete this as well. That was all yesterday. Would you take a trade before NFP? Yeah, I would. If you get a closure above 1776, yeah, I'm looking for buys. Buys above here. Closure. Range. Could we have buys above 773.30 on gold on a 15-minute time frame? 773, right around here. You know what? If you look closely, I guess I can say that it could potentially be a range 2 breakout because you have support resistance right here, support resistance. And if you look closely, I guess there's a resistance right here. So technically, yeah, above, or sorry, there's a resistance right here. So technically, if you get a closure above here, then yeah, potentially we could look to drive up towards 1776 here. You can take that if you want to. Yes, it's all optional up to you. However, I'm gonna wait for buys above 1776.112. I prefer those. It comes out of preference, right? And I just prefer the ranges above here than this area right here. I'm not saying this is not clean. I'm sure it's valid to some given extent. But that's up to you to decide if you want to take it or not. It's not bad, but I prefer 776.112 for buys. If I was shit one, I took gold buys. Hope it goes great for you, man. Damn, this guy is hurting us on, bro. And what did the girl do to him? This guy's on demon time. Good Monday morning. What up, inner peace? Hope we see Resistay. Maybe. Best ever shooting in the world. Hey, what up, Jimmy? What's going on, bro? Top of the morning. Yes, sir. Top of the morning. I need that sound. I need that sound right now. Hold on, let me find it. What sounds again? Baby Keem, Kendrick, what's it called? Ties. Oh no, Range Brothers. I need that sound as a thing on my thing. Come on, Apple Music. I hate Apple Music. Browser version at least. Just pause the music on Spotify.
Let's top of the morning, let's get this shit.
I need a sound. Hold on. What can I delete, chat? Let's see. I could delete that. No,
I guess we'll never know.
I'm not gonna delete that.
I'm undefeated,
Never lost.
Stop the cap.
Nah, I can't delete those.
You're not that guy, pal. Trust me. You're not that guy.
Can't delete that.
To this day.
Can't delete that. Runner, track star.
But honestly, that sound like a fair trade to me if I
could delete that. Yeah. I'll delete this one. I'll delete that little baby one. Or the baby one.
Let's get this shit. Let's. Top of the morning, top of the morning, top of the morning, top of the morning.
Sick.
Top of the
so
morning,
sick.
top of the morning, top of the
I'll be
morning,
like,
top of the morning. Top of the
that's
morning,
so
top
sick.
of the morning, top of the morning, top of the morning.
I'm gonna save that. Alright, cool. Yo, shout out to Jimmy, bro.
Lungs got lean in my belly to mirror.
Shout out Jimmy, bro. Thank you. That's so sick that you're like,
Top of the morning, top of the morning, top of the morning,
yo,
top
call
of the
me a
morning.
DJ chat. I'm just chilling today. Me too, man. Bro, you use Spotify? I do use Spotify. I use both. I use Spotify. I have Apple Music. I like Apple Music on a phone better, but I use Spotify. I've been a Spotify user for years. How many buying type 1 in the chat if you in a trade? Nobody. Don't ask if you guys didn't buy a type of 1 in this situation here on this third closure. How did you? Yeah, GG is very nasty here, chat. Very nasty here. Very nasty. Trying to see some. Below here you have clean traffic until here. How big is this range here? 27 bips. These are my sells. My sells are below their chat. I need a range 2 breaker for sells. You could, in this situation here, create a range 2 within this range here at some given point. Who knows? If price were to do that, then I'll take my sells below there instead. But I need that range 2 confirmed, right? So this is when we're this is what we need for a range 2. You need price to come down, break below support, create a new support. That'll be a new range, and then sells be below there instead, or wherever it forms, right? But since we don't have those counts formed yet, the next overall range 2 potential area is going to be like 149 500. So sells will be below there. I know it's a long shot from now, but I'm just gonna have it there for now, I guess. Just so people in case people ask me where I'm taking sells, they should be able to see on my screen. How come you're late? Late to what? No positions anyways, right? This 1 hour candle, the previous candle chat has no bottom wick here, hence why I'm not too looking to lock into positions here on gold. I want to wait for this ADM candle to close, and then if we get a decent 1 hour candle on gold, then I may take positions at ADM a little bit before news, but NFP. But let's see. We need everything to align here because the day average shows that we're bearish on gold here technically, right? But for news, they're expecting numbers to come out very good. So, right? Wait, actually, going forecast is good for currency. Yeah, great. Yeah, good. Yeah, they're saying good for $1. So, if news comes out, it should align with the technical analysis we have for a day, which is sells below 1770 here. Let's see, chat. Let's see. Thing about waiting for news to finish is I got a dip at 9, right? And news is at 8:30. And we can't take a position at 8:30 because that's when the news candle comes out. Maybe 8:45. Let's see. It's either we get a position like around this time, like 7:45, 8 a.m., or we won't get a position until after news, after NFP. Bro, I started trading December 2019, and then it became profitable August 2021. It takes around 2 years. You helped me a lot, thanks to you. Hey man, I'm glad. You've been here for a while too. Ezekiel, London session and NY session is literally the same thing. It's the same concept, it's the same strategy, the same method. It's literally all the same. It's candles. Candles are the same within all the sessions, within all the time frames. It comes down to just you don't understand volume and when volume actually comes in. There's different volume times for NY versus Asian versus New York. It's not always gonna be the same. However, the whole concept behind it is generally the same. If I were to go and trade London right now, I'll be waiting for the exact same closures, exact same setups. Like my playbook remains the same. Like nothing changes. Nothing really changes. That's something you gotta understand. Because people started to tend to think that, you know, oh yeah, London session is easier to trade, or New York is easier to trade, or harder to trade. It's literally all the same. I think what that is just excuses people are making. There's literally nothing different. Or people play the guessing game. They say, oh, London is reversal session, New York is a continuation session. It's a myth. Just trade it for what it is. Don't like once you say, oh, once you like say like, oh, London's a reversal session and New York's a ongoing session, you're gonna start to take more reversals during London when price could not even be reversing. Right? Like, you don't want to be in a situation where you're guessing and predicting what price is going to do. You kind of just want to go with the flow of what price is already doing. Follow the trend until it breaks. Right? It's all the same. You know, London, New York, I'll still be waiting for range 1, range 2 breakouts, etc. Closures above or below the ranges, right? It's all the same concept. The moment you say, oh, this session is this session is that, like, you know, like without following where prices actually is at, you're already putting yourself at disadvantage in the markets for no given reason. London not the same, bro. In NY we trade breakouts. London you buy lows and sell highs. I've been looking at it for about 2 months. Look at the whole data for the past 10 years on London and New York, and it's literally all the same. Here's the thing, you shouldn't be focused on buying the low, selling the high. Like, you shouldn't be focused on trying to catch reversals in general. Like, if I were to go market, okay, so let's go here, I'll show you an example. This is London, right around here, London. So this is pre-London. This is okay. Hold on, before I even talk, before I even get there, what's the bias right there on gold? Right, what's the bias on gold? It's bearish. The previous day candle closed bearish, therefore I do expect the next day candle today to drive down bearish as well, come down towards the next support level at the 1752 mark. All right, so there's that. All right, that's done. That's just in the back of your mind. There's you can't take positions off the fact that the day candle is just bearish. Like, you can, however, that's not the ideal. Like, then that's not the whole idea behind it. But that bias is now there. It's set in stone. It's just sitting in the back of your head. All right, cool. Have that in the back of your mind. You drop down to a small time from here during London. Where's London? This is London, right? So this is how the pre-London candle closed at 1 a.m. This is how the 1 a.m. candle closed there. It closed bearish here. So yeah, closed bearish here. right? So you expect the next candle now, this candle, to drive down as long as it respects the previous candle high. In this situation, it's kind of a bit tricky because this candle has no top wick. So go into the whole example of, you know, price closing of no top wick on a bearish candle closure. I guess a bit more complex, but I'm not gonna get into that right now. I just want to give you an idea of like how it's literally the same thing as New York. You drop down to the 1 hour time from here, right? You mark your zones the same way you mark your zones during NY session. You notice that there's a support down here that was created during Asian. There's another support right around here, and there's a resistance right around here during London opening. So when pre-London opened at 1 a.m., 2 a.m., where were we? We're in this range here. So where can you take positions? You need a breakout. So again, going back to the daily bias you had in the back of your mind that was bearish. If you're bearish today and you have your levels marked up as support and resistance here, and you're looking for sells, what do you need for sells to occur? You need closures below the range here, and you got that closure. You got closures once this kind of closed below the range here, and then you expect price to drop down towards the next support level, right? It's the exact same thing we do for NY session. Nothing's different. Does that make sense? Nothing's really different. But it's literally the exact same sales wave we took yesterday on the live streams. So now, like, same thing for NY session. You come to the sessions, and these happens to be the levels that I have marked up right now. I have my support right around here. I have a minor support right around here. Next resistance is up here, and these are the ranges that I'm looking at. So with the bias being bearish though in the back of my mind, if I'm looking for sells, where can I get those sells now? Below the next support level. In that case, it's gonna be below 1770.208. And that goes for Asian, London, New York. It's literally the same concept, same strategy. Are you buying or selling? What up, Wick?
What goes on?
What's going on?
What up? What up?
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. I see the assassins have failed.
Assassins.
Yeah, we're all back together again this morning. Everyone's alive and well. Where's my man?
I have a new sound. Did you hear it?
No.
It's so fire.
Top of the morning, top of the morning, top of the morning, top
That's
of the
so
morning.
sick. No, isn't that so sick? It has the beat drop. It goes like.
She's a runner, she's a track
Top of the morning, top of the morning, top of the morning, top of the morning.
That's so sick. It's so loud too. Like boom, boom.
You're a producer now?
Yeah. Producer, part time.
Nice. Coming for Kanye's throne?
Yeah. Yeah.
Which one? I know you had to delete the good sound to put that in. What did
I
you get rid of?
deleted the baby. We never used it. It was let's go. We never used it, so I'm like, hey, fuck
let's
that.
go.
Yeah. I'm like, this is free ass. All right, have this.
Yeah, I haven't heard that one once. So let's go one.
Yeah, I never clicked on it. Listening to Don's analyze charts is mesmerizing as fuck. I'm glad. Yo, Ezekiel, are you still here? I want your feedback. I want your thoughts, because a lot of our people have that issue as well, where they think that NY is different from London compared to Asian when it comes to strategy.
Come on.
I think yesterday was chef's kiss. Like we broke down each and every little detail there was on, what was it, gold? Was it gold yesterday? Yeah, it was gold, right? Gold sells. Fake out. Like, it was actually, I went back to look at it and it's crazy. It's just like, that is like 2 years of live work on the streams, all there, like thrown out there yesterday. 2 years of just constant consistency, constant looking for ways to get better, constant, you know, looking for ways to adapt to the market, and it's just all there.
Imagine you have an idea and the light bulb above you lights up, and that idea is built into a concept. That concept is you know, built into I guess a realization. That concept is realized, and then that concept is actually put to use, and it works. Like, all of this has been gone through, so you don't have to figure shit out or optimize it to suit yourself. Like, literally been thought of, you know, optimized for the charts, optimized for the session, and put to use and executed, and it fucking works.
It's fucking it's just amazing. Like, Marco was messaging me yesterday, and he even texted me. He's like, this on-stream winning streak has me fired up for 2022. Your strategy has gone 10 times better since the beginning of the year. And that's coming from Marcos when he joined earlier this year.
It's been fine-tuned. Not ideally. I mean,
it's not gonna stop. But
yeah, I mean, you're not gonna stop yourself from taking losses, and you always have to be aware of that.
Yep.
You know, a loss will happen at some point. It's inevitable. Just like if you stick to this, it's inevitable that you'll be successful.
Nah, bro, London just not the same. The breakouts there are what we call fake outs. So, okay, I'm guessing talking about gold, right? Right here, this is what you call a fake out. Okay, so could be, yeah. Okay, so let me delete my charts. So you had a resistance here, and you had a closure above the range here. Why was this a fake out? It's one thing to know what a fake out is, but it's another thing to understand why was it a fake out. What was the bias, Ezekiel, for a day off the daily time frame? Before Asian even started, you knew what the bias was for a day before Asian session even started. So it had nothing to do with London, it had nothing to do with Asian. Bias is bearish, right? From what I said earlier. And look where we closed. We had a resistance here. We closed above the range for buys, right?
Look on the hourly. I don't think it's a fake out on the hourly.
And then price came back into the range, going against the bias. Hourly? What was the hourly looking like? Yeah, it was. I think it was fake out. Yeah. No? It's kind of chopped these levels here, but I'm trying to think. If I had a London session, where would I mark my zones at? I think I would have marked it up as
I think it held that
support.
It held the resistance there, no?
Oh yeah, the fake out was like kind of like right around here. Yeah, this is a fake out. Yeah, I think I would have marked the fake out right around here. But same idea, like Ezekiel, like even yesterday during NY session, there's a fake out that occurred. If you look at our trade yesterday, breakdown today's fake on the free live options today, and right around here. So this is your resistance. This is the range we're in right now, right? And I know you guys are probably thinking, you know what's funny? I made a video on this last night about shut up, Don. Here, so like the fake out here was like right around here during NY session. So
shut up, Don.
Yeah, fake outs occur during Asian or NY as well as London. It's all the same. It's all, it comes down to just range 1, range 2 breakouts. Yeah. Oh, I gotta redo my charts here. My levels are gone. Unless I go this big brain. Hold on. Boom. And then, oh no, it's gone for sure. Okay, whatever. How did I mark this up again? This is very difficult to mark up today. I struggled here.
Honestly, regardless of session, I mean, all the same rules apply.
Talking about sessions,
So,
right?
but yeah, regardless of which session you're in, the North American, the Asian, the London session, the same rules apply. It's just with the application of those same rules, you're gonna notice that you're having less trades during the other sessions, during the Asian session, because you need all these same rules to still.
But what Zeke was trying to say was, like, during NY, it's usually just continuation versus London, where it's likely where you're likely to reverse. Like London session is more of a reversal session, is what you're trying to say. Like where you can buy lows and sell highs, like call reversals.
Mean, honestly, I've come into the market in the morning where we had a range 1 during London where it reversed. You understand? Or I've come into the session where we were at range 2. It's been so random. It's just, you know, it's just the market cycles. You know, it'll switch up. Market's not identical all the time, but like I said, all the same rules still apply. If you use all the same rules that you do in New York, that you do in London, you'll get all the same moves. Like how many times we've come into the stream and we're like, damn, London had a monster move, or like London continued. London, I can't call something a reversal session.
Yeah, I think once you label like those sessions,
you said it right earlier. You said it. You're gonna start, once you start labeling sessions as such, you're gonna start expecting those things. It's a psychological thing. You're gonna look for things, and you don't. That's not like we don't look for reversals. You understand? We call this a reversal session. You're gonna start looking for reversals. Oh, did it reverse here? Did it reverse there?
Now you take reversals. You know, yeah.
Yeah, it's psychologically, it's not healthy. Like you're gonna do it subconsciously. You're not even gonna realize that you're looking for something that's not technically there. It's not a fact that it's been identified. It's only been put forward as a hypothesis. Yeah. We're scientists, you know. We get everything down to a method.
And scientists.
We don't do hypothesis. We do the hypothesis, the testing, and then we have a conclusion. We have a, what do you call it? What does that call it?
Which one?
What do you call it? When you have a sample sizing, yeah.
Oh, sample sizing, yeah. How you forgot that word?
Because smoking a big fat Jamaican joint right now.
Oh my, bro. How your strategy improved this year, mate? We increased our win rate by not taking impulse entries and understanding how to avoid fake outs, or increase the probability of us avoiding fake outs, which was done live and discovered on live streams this year. If you go to the beginning of the streams, you know what? Let's go to the beginning of streams right now. Let's go to the January streams real quick. I'll show you guys what I mean.
You need to repost. You need to repost
a fake out.
The Wicks arranges shit.
Which one?
What's a Wick? Like how Wick is arranged.
I haven't done that example in years and ages. Who here knows about that? Who here? I mean, I have a command for it.
Because I'll be honest with you, like the last few days, people have been asking what's the significance of Wick here, a Wick there, no Wick there, and
should I explain it right now?
I think it would be a fire vid for your Instagram.
Yeah.
Have that Wick.
I have a video on it here. I used to remember when you first joined the last year. That's all I explained. Because it was so key. Yeah.
We used to do a lot of shit. We used to do read candles backwards.
Yeah.
We used to do Wicks. What are Wicks? Why are they important? How do they create ranges? So you could read it. That's how you would read it backwards.
Alright, I'm just gonna do it live.
Yeah.
Yeah. Who remembers that chat? Wait, how many people are here right now? Okay, if you get to 400 people, I'll explain it. It's a decent explanation that I don't want to repeat again on the live streams today. If you get to 400 viewers, I'll do it. Fuck, I'm just doing it right now. 360. Okay. All right. Yeah, chat. Do you guys know a
See
wick?
somebody asking you right there. What's the significance of the top wick?
Do you guys know do you guys know a wick is a range? Has anyone in the industry ever explained that to you guys? How a wick is a range? So basically, if you think about a wick, right, on let's say a 4-hour candle, okay, 4-hour key number, 4-hour, you're gonna be able to break that 4-hour candle down to 4 1-hour candles. So here I'll give you an example. So in this case, you have a 4-hour candle that looks like this. So you would consider this now a wick fill, right? Or at least once this 4-hour candle closes, you would expect the new 4-hour candle to drive up to fill that wick, as long as it respects the previous 4-hour candle low, like this, right? And this would now be called, in other words, a wick fill. So yes, a wick fill, great, but it's very key to understand how and what's going on behind a wick fill, because anything can be a wick fill. But if you know the in and outs of a wick fill, if you know exactly what's happening within a wick fill, it'll make a lot more sense to you. And I'll explain it right here. So if this is a 4-hour candle,
you could actually start taking advantage of these ranges.
Yeah,
once you understand,
you can anticipate a lot more things, a lot more situations before you get those new that new info. So this is a 4-hour candle. All right, so if I were to break this down to the 1-hour candles, there'll be 4 candles, if I'm not wrong, right? So those 4-hour candles will look like this. They'll look like, and this isn't going to be 100% accurate, but generally speaking, this is the 80% of the time how in this situation it'll look. It looks something like this. So now you guys are asking me, why is it like this? I'll explain it. So this is the top. So this is the opening of the candle, right? When price opened up, it created a bottom wick. Therefore, that's the low. So if we look to the 1-hour candle here, that low matches up with this low as well. And if you look to the top, when price opened up, or when price closed, it created a high. Before it closed, the high was right here, and the close of the candle was right here, looking to the right. Typically the last candle of the 4-hour candle will be a bearish candle, because if the wick is the last thing price created, it has to be the last candle, right? So in this case, this is how it looks on a 1-hour candle. It looks something like this. So if I were to mark it up now, this is a resistance on a 1-hour candle, and this is a support. This is now a range. Whenever you have a support and resistance, it equals a range, right? In this case, this is how it looks. And if you go back to the 4-hour candle, that range that you have on a 1-hour is just a wick being formed. So that's how a wick is a 4-hour candle. So when price comes up to fill that wick, what happens on a 4-hour candle is price is pushing up like this. Price just pushes up as a regular 4-hour candle, driving up to fill that wick like so, right? But on a small time frame, what happens is price is just bouncing off of this support level to continue up towards the next resistance. Make sense? So this is what's happening just on a small, just by breaking the candle down backwards from the 4-hour candle down to the 1-hour candle. And
it's trading based on your drawings.
Yeah, and like in this,
do we buy here?
Dude, so Don, yo, you buy here or you sell here? I think I explained it a lot better back then, because I used to do it every day. It used to be like natural for me, but I know I know what it means, but it's just I got worse.
Some people are like, oh yeah, this is common sense based shit, but the real deep understanding of what's going on, and they're really thinking about this, that this is actually happening when you're seeing that wick form, when you're seeing the hourly close, I think is really important. People know what's happening kind of, but they're not like really aware of how they can take advantage of it as it's happening.
Yeah, like in this case, like you can take advantage of the onion play here, right? So on a 4-hour candle, once it closes, since you expect the new 4 candle to continue up, on a 1-hour time frame, all you need is a 1-hour closure as support to continue up, because you can get that 1-hour onion play going up to retest the highs to continue up. But you understand on a higher time frame, once you come up towards this resistance here on a 1-hour time frame, that resistance that you're worrying about on a higher time frame is just a wick fill, and less likely where prices look likely to break the highs to continue further up. So this resistance here now becomes a very minor resistance instead of a major one if you look on a higher time frame back on a 4-hour candle. And that's just one example of like the onion play in that situation, but there's a lot more to it. Yeah, thanks, Don. I was asking about when you want to take an entry. You always say no top wick, no entry. Why is that? Oh yeah, so yeah, I was going back to that drawing here real quick. So I wasn't done. I forgot. There's this as well. Yeah, there's this as well. So
yes,
which one is exactly what I'm talking about? So in this case, like right here, if so in this, I drew an example here where you have a wick, right? So just imagine there's no top wick there on a 4-hour candle. What happens if there's no top wick there? It'll look like this on a 4-hour candle, right? Which means, or sorry, look like this. Which means since there's no top wick here, there's no range on a small time frame now. There's like, because a wick is a range, right? But when there's no wick, there's no range for price to continue up. Therefore, on a small time frame, all that's happening is this. Is basically saying that price is just at resistance. So therefore, in that case, the probability of us going further up is very low since we're at resistance and we're not creating a range to continue further up, if that makes sense. So in situations where we have no top wicks on, for example, a bullish candle closure, no top wick, I would stay out. Simple as that. I wouldn't hesitate on the position or anything. I would just stay out and wait for a different opportunity, a new opportunity. But there's a huge difference in no top wicks and bottom wicks, because there's different scenarios. You can have a bearish candle that opens up with no top wick, then comes down. You can have a bearish candle that closes with no bottom wick, right? Meaning that there's no range to continue down. But whenever one of those things occur, I usually just stay out, to be honest. And that was like, I think 2020 when we really learned about no top wicks, no bottom wicks. That was 2020. Yeah, I think 2020, right? 2020 or yeah, 2020. I think early 2020, Q2 or something. Am I muted? Nah, I see your messages in the fact. What does general consensus say? Dollar stronger or weaker? They're expecting good numbers for $1 for NFP. Nice. Yo, what levels do you have marked up today, Wix, on first sells there?
Sorry, I'm not at the computer. Give me a second.
Yo, top of the morning, peeps.
Top of the morning, top of the morning, top of the morning, top of the morning.
That's digital cash going on. I hope whoever took positions on the buys here at 7:30 earlier got break even or something here in this case, because we stopped break even.
You can't lose that too. Bye. Oh my bad.
It's all good. You tap this resistance here on gold 30-minute time from here, so that is an area where you could take advantage of. I hope you guys move stocks to break even, whoever got in those. I didn't get in or anything, but whoever did get in, I hope you manage risks accordingly. because there's really no reason to lose that trade as well. You were also up, I think, around like 15 pips after tapping that minor resistance. There was no reason not to move stocks to break even in close half. Because we have fake out on gold potentially. I mean, I would never really call it a fake out. I mean, yeah, sorry, no, yeah, the 4 candle is creating. So see how the 4 candle here came up? It came up, didn't break the 4 candle high, starting to reject there. I believe this 4 candle should be able to flip bearish to continue down, like so. This is a 4 onion here, basically. This could be the new 4 candle that drives that. Once it flips, could drive down towards 7062 here. Right, if I draw like this, it'll make a lot more sense to you guys. Support resistance. If we close bearish at resistance here, you expect a new 4 candle to drive down as long as it respects the highs towards the support here. Looking left, we have clean traffic once you flip bearish as well on the left hand side here. Fake out, sorry, going back to fake outs. Yeah, I mean, I'm interested in the sells if you close below 1770 here, but I don't think I'm gonna. I can't enter a position that's 830 here. There's news. I'm not gonna have any positions on news directly. So probably a bit after news. How we go placing your stop to trade news? I literally just said I'm not taking any positions for news. I never do. There's no positions for news. There's no buy sells, there's no sell sells. I'm not taking any impulse entries. I'm not gonna be gambling news. We never do. You know why? Just because
I guess we'll never know.
You never know what news really does. Like, price literally could have been priced in yesterday. People could say, oh, this could be a stop hunt. You know, do you get what else is there? What's the other thing called? You get whipsawed. What's the other thing called though? When your spreads, what's it called, chat? Fuck, I'm losing my mind. When your spreads get really big and you get activated on the positions. Slipped. When you get slipped, yeah, you get slipped. So like, in those reasons, like that's why I don't really like to trade news. It's just so many things that occur. It's just so much random stuff that could occur. It's just not even worth it. It's like a gamble basically. That's how I see it. It's a 50-50. Yeah, it's a 50-50. And why would I sell down for a 50-50 position where I can just sell down for an 80-20 position, right? And the 80-20 position is our playbook. It's a coin flip strategy. Now, I'm not saying you can't be profitable doing so. I'm sure there's others out there that, you know, have traded news for and they're doing great with it. This is something that I'm not going to look into due to my own reasonings. Which doesn't mean you guys can't though. Like, chat, you guys can do whatever you guys want to do. You guys can have buy sell social news, you know, whatever it is, but that ain't my game. I don't want to play stupid prizes. There's stupid games to win stupid prizes. Could you explain how you can use a 4-hour day candle flip? So if you're anticipating the 4 candle and day candle flip, you can look on a small time frame and look for those small time frame ranges to break to take positions, anticipating the flip of the 4 hour and day time frame. Bro, is up or down, guys? Please tell me, anyone. Let me guess. You want to over leverage it, don't you? That's what it sounds like. You want to over leverage it and you want to wish for the best here to flip that account of yours. Just praying and praying. Something you don't want to do. Also, try off of my own perspectives as well. Like, I believe for me, it's bad profits. Like, even if I were to trade news and I were to win, for me, it'll be bad profits. There's a difference between good profits and bad profits. I think it'll be called bad profits just because trading news in general is very risky. Comes with a lot of red flags. And if you're winning using red flags, that's not a good sign, right? Therefore, it goes under the category of bad profits. Because you're supposed to think it's okay to trade news or trade away or make money the same way you made money, and what ends up happening is long term you're gonna get fucked over in the end. It's not even worth it. Whereas good profits are following good trading habits, following your trading plan, and not getting lucky, right? In other words. Yeah, yeah, Larry, yeah. I'm waiting for NFP here. At first I was looking for positions at before 8 a.m, but there's no positions here, so we have no choice but to wait for news to come out here. Because we don't know how numbers are gonna come out, right, chat? No one knows. Unless you have, like, Bloomberg Terminal. But even if you have Bloomberg Terminal, it'll still be a bit, it's not easy as it sounds. A lot of things that come into play as well. Again, the whole whipsaw thing, the whole stop hunt thing, the whole so many things. Should I try to stream? I got you. Nice. Sells below here, buys above here. This is a great chart. I like how your levels are marked up, but I just want you to add more text on the screen, Like, tell me what you're looking for and why you're looking for that position. This is great. Looks valid. However, I just need more text on the screen. This is a break-even trade. I see your break-even. I'm pretty sure you close half as well, so congrats on that. But I'm gonna need you. I know this is also true. You broke down earlier too, right? But I still want an explanation because not everyone's gonna know what you're looking for. I'll also help you out as well. Understand your trades a bit more. And the facts, it's been a while. How you been, man? Derek Booker ain't here. Is he? Marcos ain't here. RNG. Don, how come there's some days you have buy and sell levels instead of one bias? Range 1, range 2 breakouts. I always have one bias initially. Sorry, I always have two biases. It's just that I have one main bias this might sound confusing because I also talk about having one bias. Yes, I have one bias. However, if I'm looking to go against my bias, I would need a range 2 breakout. In this situation, the range 2 breakout level is above 1776.088 going up. Makes sense? No worries, man. Yeah. And if you know what range 1 range 2 is, or if you want a better example of range 1 range 2, do exclamation point ranges in the chat, and there should be a video that pops up on Instagram or YouTube. I think it's Instagram that explains that for you. Range 2? I think it's called range or ranges. That's the command. Chat, this is the definition of a quarter 4 right here. Definition of quarter 4, man. GJ is a sleeper pair right now. And if you trade this ranger, you deserve to lose money. If you trade this range, you deserve to take those losses. There's literally no reason at all to take trades in this ranger. Don't be a hero, you know. Don't try to predict when volume will come in. Wait for it to actually break out.
GJ looks like ass and feet.
What's wrong with that?
It depends on who's, right? It's only been a day of this. Like, GJ's only been like this for a day. There's been times where GJ's been like this for months.
Yeah, I remember when it happened for like 2 months, and everyone's like, "Ah, fuck GJ. I'm done with GJ forever." Next thing you know, it moves solidly for like the next couple months, and everyone's like, "Oh, I'm back on GJ. I love GJ. It's back." Always happens. Pairs rotate like that, chat. Every pair, gold's the same too. Gold will have those months where it ranges. GJ will take off, and vice versa. But just treat both pairs the same regardless. Marco's still with us. Marcos is here. He's just on vacay. Yeah, you've been away for, in fact, you've been away for so long, bro. Jeez. You've been away before NFP or NFT. NFT even like was a thing. Have you been here in January? Was he here in January?
Yeah, he was here.
I don't remember. I didn't. Vac was here to what? March or something? April, February, March, around there. April maybe.
So I think he was here till the summertime.
Shit, man, summertime felt like ages ago. I lived through live since.
Word. I feel like 3 weeks ago was like a different life. Bob.
He's at the residence lost account. Yeah. He just left them yesterday. He just like, oh, I'm taking the next 2 days off. I'm like, really? Just 2 days? Oh yeah, and Fak was here for the hoodies. Yikes. Hoodies. That was what? May? Right? May or April? May, June-ish? I think it was May.
Yeah.
Honestly, I don't know where the hoodie is. I'm not gonna lie to you. Yeah, he might. I don't know. It's up to him, obviously. Like, if he wants to take more time off, he can. But I did tell him that you might as well take the whole month off because it's December, and you might as well
come back in December.
You might as well come back when it's January, when it's new. It's a new year and new quarter. Quarter 4 is
the
best time.
Regardless, though, I'd still be showing up. You know.
Yeah.
Charting.
I'll be showing up, charting, but wouldn't be trading it if I was out of situation.
sticks, we running the club, bro. Got a bad ass bitch, she riding in there, just told her to get you. How could you hit when your figure's low? I just dropped 10 on my finger rolls. I would you bum me in overalls. Now I ain't fucking with none of y'all. It's only summer, wait for the fall. My aunt is watching, how could I fall? Now if I Jordan, I'm back home. Now if I Jordan, I'm back home. Smoke, 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 smoke,
On the street, thanks Don. The stream and Discord has helped me attain my food truck. We outside.
We outside. I ain't going outside today. You can play that song now. I ain't going outside today.
What
Chat.
a guy.
NFP in 5 minutes here.
Fact. Always around. If I was broke and homeless, I'd still have a laptop and be around.
For real. Dedication to the streams, man. Thanks, Don. The streams on the Discord had helped me attain my food truck. Hey, Control FX. What about today's Euro USD fixed time trade? I'm not sure what fixed time trade means. However, I'm not trading Euro USD in general, right? Or Euro USD in general. If you want me to look at Euro USD, send me a chart on it. Give me your whole breakdown, your idea of what you're looking for, and I'll give you some feedback on it. I'd love to do so, but I'm not gonna be looking at that pair. I don't really look at that pair. Aside from GJ and Gold. Well, let's do a poll, chat. Who here in the chat is gonna play the buy stop and sell stop game today? Be honest. I have pending orders. There's a poll. Yeah, sales have been great if there's no NFP. I mean, they're expecting good numbers too for the dollar, right? And the day bias it was bearish, so like, yeah, sales make complete sense for me. I really want to sell below 1770 here, but with NFP, I can't take a position in this case. Dash is digital.
Life is amazing, it is what it should be. Been here for 10, but I feel like a rookie. I tell her look up, cause it's snowing in Tussies. Booked for 3 years, man, you can't even book me. It's me and Lil Baby, this shit going crazy. Weezy produced it, and Weezy had made me, and she held it down, so she got a Mercedes. Young Money Records, the Army, the Navy. They ran me 10,000, I threw it like Brady. The foreign is yellow like Tracy and Katie. I trusted my niggas, they never betray me. Met all these niggas, they sweeter than Sadie. When I started out, I just took what they gave me. Did all the favors, they never repay me. It worked in my favor, cause nobody saved me.
No keys. After NP, about how many minutes will we take positions? So this is how it works. I wait for news to come out, right? And then it goes back to the same trading plan we have. Wait for closures above or below ranges. But at this time, the only difference is we're taking advantage of the volume, and we also have a more ideal direction of where price is headed because of how numbers came out. So nothing really changes. We're still waiting for the same 5-6 setups that we wait for every day. It just happens to be after news. So again, could be 8:45, could be 9 a.m., 9:15, 9:30, 10, 10:15, 10:30, right? But anytime after, 30-minute candle, 15-minute candles after. But I stayed late the last 2 days. I actually can't stay past 9 today though. I actually got dip, chat. Sorry, chat. However, if you're in the same channel, that's when it comes in clutch. So I will be calling positions out after as I'm on the run, but I will not be streaming here after 9 a.m. unfortunately. Okay, enter gold sells now. Okay, be careful. Be careful, man. You have news here. Just because, you know, the day time frame is biased, is bearish. Yes, it looks clean. Price will still come out the other way. Again, I say it all the time. News, you just...
I guess we'll never know.
You never know. You just never know with news. Anything can happen with news. I'll wait till news comes out. As confident as I am with price coming down to with the day bias, I'm not taking positions here until after news.
Like a short on gold right now?
Yeah.
What is that? It's like that's a two-hour celery?
Is it really?
On the 2 hour, yeah.
Oh yeah, it is. It's a 4 count flip, day count flipper. Looking clean. Chat, my daily target is 1762. This was discussed this morning on live streams. 1762 is the target for today. It's a 60 spread for me. 60 spread for you is probably 6 pips.
6 pips.
All right, NFP. Let's see.
4 spread. Yeah, my spread's between 3 and 4.
Let's watch this, chat. I'm ending a poll. Let's watch this. Watch people blow their accounts here. Let's see. With buy stops and sell stops. Oh, and you got it for the buy stops. We asked for the buy stops. See, it's chat. That's what I'm talking about. Like, yes, there's something bad numbers, but literally anything can happen. This is just be a whipsaw, this be a whatever, and it can literally happen. And prices still continue to come down. Who knows, right? Okay, people buy stocks are active. I'm pretty sure people who had buy stocks are in profit. If you didn't get slipped.
Oh no.
Chat, that's why we won't trade news.
It's not done yet.
Look at that short. RIP, a gamble. I warned you, man. There's no reason to take position the last minute of the news, like before news. Okay, cool. So how numbers come out? Let's see. Good or bad, chat? My thing's a little slow here.
Alright, somebody check on Jan.
Somebody checked on his account, man. Now we got 30 minutes to chill, exactly. Or maybe 15. We might get a position at 8:45. Let's see. Numbers came out negative. Whoa, 210k instead of 500. That's really bad. But then the last folder implement rate came out positive. So that's why it's a bit mixy here. But chat, now that news is out of the way, you wait for yourselves. So in this case, if I'm looking for positions now, let's go ahead and redo my... I don't really like this level here. I think sales from me today would be below here. Below here now. 1767 here. Or unless you get a fake out above the range coming back down to the range, I'll look for my sells. So these are my two scenarios for a day for sell positions today, if there is any. If this 1 hour candle on gold here, we're close above the range like this, and the next 30-minute candle drives down back into the range, then this could be a fake out that I'm willing to take coming down for the range again. That's one initial position you can probably take. And the second position would be below here. So you have this opportunity here, or this opportunity here below this range coming down towards this range. That's all I'm waiting for. All right, just mapping out my my plays, my playbook, and simply waiting for them. W though. If you try, pat yourself in the back if you know, if you didn't gamble news today. W. Because we can literally still flip bearish to continue down, or it might just continue up for a day. If it does close above 1776 today, then next target is gonna be like 1779 here. But I'm pretty sure if we do continue up, breaking above this resistance for a day, I'm gonna call it a day, because I don't really like the ranges looking left there. It's not that clean, very choppy. The cells are a lot more cleaner below here and back into the range here. There's so many levels here. This is a resistance here, resistance here, resistance here. Right? It's not clean traffic. However, this is clean traffic. This area is clean traffic, but that's above 1792 towards 1802, and that's probably gonna happen at some given point next week, the week after. Who knows? We just need to actually get there first to worry about those areas. Don, I see your point. However, that drive up has been caused by news, and wouldn't it contradict the range 2 breakup play? Yeah, but there's no positions, right? Like whenever you have news, like there's no positions at all, for me at least. Like I'm not. Even if you get a range 2 breakup, even if you get the cleanest setup of the cleanest, you get a range 2 breakup plus a start play plus an onion play all at the same time, I still won't take positions. I'll still wait till news, finishes, and then take positions after. Damn, 500 viewers today, chat. What's going on, chat? Wish me luck again, time is short. Oh, man. Look at this. We literally talked about it, chat. Like, yes, it came up, but now look, it can literally still flip bearish to continue down. And this is why we don't trade this fuckery here, man.
Watch this candle close above 1776.
It does that? I'm calling it a day. So people are asking about results. You guys can literally check my results. I know I stopped doing them for quarter 4, but quarter 2 I will return. Go with my story highlights, and there's results from 2020 October until 2021 August. Every day. Remember? Hey, what's going on, guys? Here's my live account here. That's all I'll say. No stories. What up, Bob Ross? You don't love your discipline. How did you get so disciplined, or you just used to fall on rails? I got disciplined because I understood that that's the only way I can become profitable in the industry. Is if you're disciplined, if you're true to your plan, true to my playbook. Because if I spent so much time making a playbook throughout the years to be wasting it on stupid positions or on positions that I shouldn't be taking. Think about it. You spend all this time making a playbook that's accurate, that's 80% accurate plus whatever it is for you, and then you take stupid trades. It doesn't make any sense. You wasted all your time, right? So it's not even worth it to take those positions. That's another thing as well, though. Like me being disciplined, like I'm sure it helps others in the chat as well. Just seeing me here, just not taking positions, being disciplined, waiting for my setups, not biting on anything. That's not my setup. But you need a playbook, chat. Yeah, you guys literally need a playbook. If you don't have one, you need to sample size more. You need to back test more, because having a playbook will save you from bad psychology. I truly believe once you have a playbook, if you have any bad habits like over trading, over leveraging, or over leveraging, maybe not, but over trading, it'll probably go away. You'll be a lot more disciplined. What song is this, man? This song is Larry Hoover concert on the 9th, right? Or on the 9th, Conan and Drake. You treat your own capital or prop for me? My own capital. My own capital. I always say it too. I would always prefer to treat my own capital over a prop firm's capital, just because there's just so much shit that can happen with the prop firm. Are you selling a physical copy of the playbook? Nah, man, it's in the course. The onion play, I got literally everything that I have is either on a course or even better, it's on the live streams. If you put enough hours in, I would say about, like Wick says every day, take advantage, chat, of the live streams.
Help yourself.
Yeah, exactly. Help yourself. There we go. Help yourself. It won't take it, you know, it won't come like you won't get everything down within a week, within a day. However, come every day for months, for at least 2-3 months, you get a very good idea of how we trade.
It's really been like half hour of everyone asking, where's Reza? How's Reza? What's up with Reza? Like, ask ask yourselves where you could be taking advantage of the market here. Post a chart. I'm so concerned with like weird stuff. Like, what leverage do you use? Don doesn't need leverage. Like, none of this matters.
Exactly. Those questions won't help you, chat. It won't really get you anywhere. How about, yo, chat? I want this is video here, chat, though. Where's the video? Where's the video? Yo, do Expert Twin playbook. I think I have a command for this video. This video right here is the playbook, basically. It explains literally every single position that we wait for and we take. Like, for example, oh shit! Yo, Tyler, I didn't see this starter play you put here. Nice. Like for example, I didn't see this. Yo, dope. Yo, Tyler W. This was like 8 months old, or not 8 months. 5 months old. 5 months old. Like the for example, like a trade sub we took yesterday. This trade. So here, this was a fake out back into the range, right? So fake out back into the range on account of flip. So go to the where's that? That is gonna be fake out entry number 2, I think. No, sorry, that's the start play right here. And get caught and stop back advantage. Like this is a fake out. This is a position we took yesterday, but just flipped. Another example is the trade the day before. Got in positions here, chat. I think I placed mine a little bit closure below the range. Right, simple trade, closure below the range. That was setup number 1, I think. Breakout entry number 1. Just a simple closure above or below a range to continue up or down. Got in position. This right here is closure below a range, right? So simple. This is breakout entry number 1. What else is there? Buys. You know, this is just kind of. I guess you can say. I think this is a fake out. Fake out plus buy back into the range. This goes under. Fake out entry 1, I think. Yeah, it's fake out entry 1. This is literally the exact same trade on the screen. So that's the playbook, basically. Oh, black book. Oh no, this is just I just troll chat. This is a notepad from Muji. I slapped the sticky note saying on his playbook. Got in position for your chat in the grave. Yo, for real. Johnson up put got in position to your chat on his gravestone. No, I think oh, if I already have something on my gravestone about trading,
stop loss hit.
No. Oh no.
Margin call.
That's ruthless. No, that's ruthless. Nah, I'm gonna have closing moving my stop break here, making this a risk trade. And that's the most common thing I say. Moving stop break here,
No.
chat, making this a risk trade.
No, the gravestone's gonna say blue account.
Yo, Rezo's here. Panda, what's going on, brother? Yo, whole chat's asking about you. Whole chat's asking how you're doing. Are you doing well? Let me know. Yeah, I think I fucked up my leg. Chat, let me know. I mean, Rezo, let me know. How you doing today? You should play poker, Don. You would clean up your like ice when it comes to your trade. Just no emotions. I don't know how to play poker, man. If I'm keeping a bucket tree, I don't know how to play poker. I never played, never. I do know that it's similar to trading regarding like risk management, right? Kind of lost short, folding, all that. Like, I know that some concept, but I never dug that deep into it. Yo, is poker all a skill? There's no luck, is there?
It's luck and skill. I was at a poker room 5 days ago.
So you can have the worst hand and it can still beat the guy who has the best hand.
Yeah, I mean, but you still play your odds. Like, you're not gonna play like, you know, you're not gonna play a deuce 7 like you're gonna play, you know, an ace king.
I don't know what the fuck that means, man, but yeah. What's the thing Bryson say on the live streams? What's the best hand get?
The 2-7, a deuce 7 offsuit is the worst hand in poker.
No, the best hand.
Best hand? Pocket aces, bro.
Oh yeah, pocket aces.
Suited aces.
Yeah, pocket aces. That's what Bryson say. Bryson say, "Don, your subs are literally pocket aces. You only wait for pocket aces subs. You don't wait for anything else." Yeah, exactly. Winning a low probability hand wouldn't be profitable long term. That goes back to good versus bad profits. Yeah, I think poker is very similar to trading. I think Ted talked about that too in his podcast. No, he said how having a poker mindset is similar to having to a trading mindset. Shout out Ted. Name this. Famous.
How do you sit on charts all day, bro? Just literally talked about how he's leaving at 9.
Yeah. Trading, I know it's my full-time job. It's really in my mind like a part-time thing. Like I'm a trader from 6:30 to 9. After 9 a.m. I'm no longer a trader. I don't consider myself a trader. I'm not gonna go and call my friend up and be like, "Yo, Wick, so gold today, man. It's been great. It's been great to us, you know. Like gold really did the thing, man. It came down, got us our 10 pips, and it's been great."
Never happens.
You know, and it's just I'm only a trader within that window, 6:30 to 9.
Shit don't exist outside of here.
Yeah.
Like in my real life, no one does it, no one knows it, no one understands it, no one cares enough.
I guess like also another thing is like people forget what the whole point of trading is, or when they become a trader. Yes, you make money, cool, great, but the whole point of it is so you could save time. You don't gotta work a 9 to 5. You don't gotta work all those hours. You can't just gotta be on charts for an hour or two. Do what you gotta do, hop off, right? What's the point of quitting your 9 to 5 when you're gonna be trading from 9 to 5? There's literally no point.
Sign up so that he never gets a call. Yeah, so something wrong with this bro relationship.
What happened? Who deleted him?
Oh, why you deleted him? He's chilling,
How he's chilling?
killing.
Yo, Keelan's chilling.
It's killing, chilling.
He might delete it.
Yo, good morning. Good morning.
yo, what up, Reza? What up, Reza? What's going on, brother? Yo, you're back. Yo, you're back.
To the land of the dead.
Yo.
There he is.
Yeah, how's it been?
What's up?
Top of the morning, top of the morning, top of the morning, top of the morning.
What's up, man?
And yeah, man, it's been good. I appreciate everyone messaging me and stuff. I just woke up. It was just so weird. I feel like I came back from like the dead.
Yo, it came back. So what's up?
We're about to call like the police to check up on you.
Hey, we need an update. What's going on?
Alright, man. Alright, well, it sucks losing your account like that, you know? Like, if I lost the money, it's okay, but losing it like that really burnt.
Yeah, when you're ahead.
Yeah, losing it on 2 winning positions, bro. Imagine that. That's bullshit. Come on. Like, that's bullshit. But I just want to, like, first thing I want to say is, like, quitting was never an option. Like, that didn't even cross my mind, you know? Like, you don't just stop now. And
I would just say doesn't pay attention, but don't come in the market in December.
Yeah, I'm probably just gonna take the month off. But essentially, I'm probably gonna just like plan doesn't change. Plan just keeps going, right? I'm gonna go with the same plan. I'm probably gonna take that 15% off my Forex ones. I can buy the account now and start in January. Just gonna take this month to chill, do my other shit. And then we're just gonna do it again.
Reza, do you get 1 retry on the fund account or no? 1 free retry or no?
During the testing phase, if you're in profit, you do. But those guys basically said we would love to have you back with us, but fuck you, you don't have anything.
You're leaving them, aren't you?
Pardon?
You're leaving them?
Yeah. I'm not trying to deal with that shit, man.
But was it an option for you ever to trade your own capital? After that whole incident, or still gonna go at it?
No, I'm still gonna go at it. I still believe in the plan. Like, again, just getting hit with like a setback, that's not when you stop at something, you know?
Reza's like, LeBron, this fall I'm taking my talents to South Beach. Take my talents to South Beach. Take my talents to Forex funds.
Yeah, man.
A decision. I was like, why not FTMO?
Why not FTMO? I think the profit split is better right now, and like I just like that 15% off, to be honest. And like MM was telling me a bunch of good stuff about trading funds. I'm not finalized on it, so if anyone has any like other suggestions, I'll look into it. But thank you, Alex, thank you, Circle, 4H Trader. Appreciate it, everybody. But yeah, like just about like just another setback in life, right? You just get up. Like, what happens when you get like shit on? You just get up and you keep going, trying.
That is a true fact.
Yeah.
That's what I tried to tell you, but I mean, I obviously whatever I told you that day when it happened, just one way or the other. Too much happening at once for you.
Yeah.
I was watching the recap again. It was so funny because
I was just having a mental breakdown. Thanks, man.
Okay, it wasn't funny, but like it was
it was so funny. You were losing your shit. Thanks, man.
Where was it? Was it right here? It was right here.
I don't know, bro. I don't even know what I said. And like when that happened, bro, I was like blanked out. I was just in shock.
Look at how the 4 hour is gonna close here right now.
That's gonna be real.
Hold on, let's see. Start making count low and TP's gonna be down here. This trade. I think when I explained the days, yeah, I know this one you fucked up. This one Reza realized he fucked up.
Look how happy you look right now.
Nah, it's always funny to look back at because like I mean
I'm just joking, bro. I know.
Fucking hilarious, right?
Yeah, it's pretty fucking funny, yeah.
Oh yeah, right here. It was right here. It was right here that when it happened. Holy shit.
Direct.
Pardon?
Bigger time frames direct the direction of the market.
Yep. In this case, the reason why
Oh my God.
was because one, the weekly is bearish. Two, the day
It
time
was at
shows
this moment.
It was
that
at this moment
he fucked up.
that he knew he fucked up. That we're flipping bearish. I was like, yo, Reza, what's happening? 'Cause I was
Look at
literally
Rez's position right now. He's literally reliving it.
after creating a top wick that we never broke the highs of one of those that we used to hear. Yeah, why? Yo, I was doing that analysis and I was like, yo, Reza.
That was such a good trade too.
I know it was such a good trade. Such a good opportunity.
Yeah. Damn, man.
Oh, wait, real quick, I just realized we flipped bearish here on the 4 hour. And on top of that, chat, what did I say this morning that was possible of happening today? You come out to create that top wick on the 4 candle and you got it. So the first 4 candle. So now closure below 76.7. 6 minutes and you should be good. Anyways, yeah, Reza, go on. What else did you have to say today?
What do you guys want me to say? You want me to sing, Don? You want me to sing without asking me who sings it?
So quarter 1 is when you're gonna restart.
Yeah, and because I would have just jumped back into it, but I don't even have a month time to like finish the part 1 challenge.
Plus you got exams and shit too. Might as well just fuck it.
Yeah. There's a lot.
If you jump into it now, you're gonna have to trade through the holidays. That's retarded. I mean, that's stupid. Yeah. That's dumb.
Plus, I feel like I could use a mental break. Like Don said, I have like other shit going on in my life. You know, like I gotta like deal with all that stuff too.
Yeah.
I was watching what the hell? I got pomegranate juice on my screen somehow last night. Anyways, I was watching a part of the stream yesterday, and Wicks is like, "Dude, that shit didn't even happen to me, and it's pissing me off."
I remember that.
That was so funny.
Yo, straight up. Yo, chat. Fuck the
so
prop
funny.
trading.
Laughing
Fuck them. Don't go with them. They suck. Straight up. Yo, that's try. They took away Reza's account for being in a positive trade, in a winning trade. For going, for
half risk. Remember how much you risk there? Well, half risk, right?
Half a percent.
My total risk if everything went, because I was already up for the day, right? My total risk if everything went to shit would have been like minus 0.5%. I was already up 0.5%. I was floating up another 0.5%, and then I opened another position.
Bruh.
I know. Yeah, trust me, I know.
In a winning position, like, yo, I would be pissed as fuck. Like this fucks up like a trader's psychology. Like
that's the most.
You're working towards this the whole time, and it really fucks with your head. And if you're fucking with my mindset, fuck you. I don't, you shouldn't be part of my trading. I shouldn't even be considering you manage risk, right? You take smaller positions on a less I guess short trade, less on a riskier trade. And you added a position when you were in profits, right?
Yeah, it was just 2 independent trades, right? I entered one off like the 15 and then one off the hourly close. So I just treated
even then
it as
you
2
risk
independent trades.
0.5% of the account, like
I know. Wicks, you don't need to tell
prop
me.
trading. Don't go with them. If you want to go with somebody else. Go. My FOREX firms,
I'm not gonna
I don't care who you go with.
Yeah, everyone's asking what happened. You wanna go there? Or?
Pardon?
Everyone's asking what happened. Okay, everyone in the chat.
Yeah, it doesn't matter. Yeah, I've been pretty honest, man. What do you mean? What happened? I caught a lot.
Reza's limit. He's limited to 10 lots on a trade on his funded account, and he opened 15 lots.
Yeah, so I didn't just open like 15 lots right off the bat. So I entered one position. Position went into money. I took off half. Was leaving half to run, and the hourly closed, and it just gave signals for a whole new position. So while that half was running, because I do percentage-based risk every time, right? I opened another position, but I had like a 5 lot running from the other half, and this one opened another 10 lot.
So they just closed his profitable position and took away his account.
Because I was above the 10 lot trading limit.
That's ridiculous.
On a 200K account, that's 1.5%.
I know. It's also 1 to 200 leverage as well. It's not even 1 to 500 leverage.
And both positions were W's.
Yeah, both positions were W's.
Fuck this prop trading shit.
No disrespect, but you broke a rule, bro.
Yeah,
Technically, yeah, it is a rule.
No, I agree with that. I agree with that.
It
You know, at the end of the day,
makes no sense. It's
Yeah.
literally going against you being a profitable trader.
yeah.
Like that's detrimental to his success
Yeah.
and to their
yeah.
success if they're saying they're running a live account.
Yeah, I agree.
And if
And
it is a
what about-
live account, not a demo account, they basically just profited off his live account and on that trade and closed it. So either way, if it's either a demo account, which is BS, or it's a live account that they profited on, took away from him, which is also BS.
Yeah, man. And I agree about like at the end of the day, I did violate a rule, so that's fair enough. It is a stupid rule because like they could easily program, like, you know, when you get margin called when you were just starting a trade, you can't leverage more, so they could easily program in that like you can't open something more than a 10 lot, you know.
Yeah.
But like they wait for the program for you to open it, and then within 30 seconds they shut it down.
Because they want to take your money. They want to take.
People saying that, like, is it ethical? Like,
yeah. Like it is a rule and I did violate, but like again, what do you do when you get shit on, bro? You learn, you adapt, and you come back better, you know? So all you gotta do.
Reza, you hear that? You hear that? Everybody, you guys hear that?
Or what?
It's the world's smallest violin.
Look at
It's
this.
playing for you right now, Reza. Yo, like this isn't even worth discussing. It was.
Yeah. Just like, you know.
It's alright. Gold's not doing much right now. Gold's not doing anything. It's not close. Bullish here on the 4-hour candle here. Or sorry. Yeah, bullish on the 4-hour candle.
I'm considering it. It's my number one choice, but I haven't gone with it yet. So if anyone has any other like suggestions for any, like, because I still want to go with the prop firm. I know like Wicks and Don are against it, obviously. But that's still my plan, you know.
Yo, real quick, pausing this for a second. I gotta discuss this 4-hour candle because I think it's very key here. Chat, this 4-hour candle on gold here closed bullish, right? But it's very important to understand how and where we close bullish. In this case, there was a resistance here, right? And price closed bullish, respecting this resistance. And remember, going back to the daily bias, it was bearish, right? And it's bound to flip bearish here. So as long as you respect the previous daily candle high, it should drive down. Next target is gonna be down here at the 1765 mark. So that stays the same. So with the 4-hour candle now respecting that resistance, if you look on a 1-hour time frame, the 1-hour also closed bearish here at resistance for like an onion play. So I would expect this candle to come down to fill this wick now, coming down towards 1767. But the issue is, we know we're gonna drive down towards support. But the issue is, will we break below 1767? So that's why it's very key now to wait for a closure below 1767.108 to take sales coming down towards 1762.920. 967 here. Range going down is approximately 40 pips, but I would wait for a 30 closure or a 1-hour closure below for price to drop down. But yeah, that's my that's the bias. So just want to put that out there before you guys have any questions on the new 4-hour candle. All right.
Also, there's a lot of people watching in chat today. I think there's a lot of new people watching.
Yeah. I think we hit 500 today.
Okay. So yeah, the growth's been insane this year.
Which isn't our record, but I appreciate all 500 people who are in it today. Each and every one of you is. Look at pound yen. Yeah, pound yen here is just in the range here. It's in this range here. I'm probably not gonna touch pound yen TJ until next week, probably Monday, if there is something Monday, right? But I'm probably gonna stay out of that. But yeah, chat. You need a closure here below 1767 here. Yeah, Rez, you joined kind of late, Reza. Which came a little earlier.
No, it's fine, bro. Look, I'm done. I don't really have anything else to say.
I
was in bed, but I'm like, I realized it's Friday, and I'm like, oh shit, it's like 20 minutes left. Probably should just like pop on explain.
Are you still gonna be on the charts or like looking at it at all, or are you just gonna like
not? I don't know. I haven't thought about that. Like I only thought about the next step, like the big step. I don't really thought about that.
Wick was saying earlier, like regardless of what it is, I think it's best if you just, or I think it's better if you just continue to like look at a chart still. Yeah, be on a chart still.
You'll get better at your craft, you know. Look at stuff. See what
But I mean, it's different if you want like a break, an emotional break.
Yeah, I kind of want a break. Like I've been going pretty hard at this for like a while, you know.
Yeah, yeah.
Also, like it is like exam season as well, and like it was nice sleeping in, bro. It was so nice sleeping in. Oh my god.
There's no shame in taking a break, and if you are going to take a break at any time in the year, this is the time to do it.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. And like I got again, I have a lot of like other like shit I have to deal with. You know?
Me personally, I don't have the other shit to do in the morning.
Yeah.
Like you do, so, and regardless of where I was at, I'd still dedicate my time to showing up to the markets and constantly improving my craft.
It's fair enough.
Nothing can replace chart time.
It is quite beautiful. I actually think like the art of trading is like it's like phenomenal. I genuinely I was thinking about that. I genuinely like enjoy trading, you know.
I have an Instagram. I'm not too active on it.
Don, what's on Instagram? Yeah. Want to shout it out, Wicks? That's his name. Wicks side.
Trader. I know. I appreciate it.
Good chat. I got a dip, chat. I mean, I explained the forward candle. You need a closure here below 767 here. I hope you guys had a great session today. I mean, there wasn't much. It was a great week though. 6 trade winning streak, which isn't our highest, but 6 trade winning streak. 2 wins this week, back-to-back days, and 3 wins, right? No, 2 wins. 3 wins, right? But yeah, chat. Great week, great decent session today, but no position today for now. If I do see something, I'll call it in a signal channel. But other than that, see you guys on Monday. All right, stay safe. I believe there should be an opportunity here for gold a bit later. I'm looking at 9:30, 10ish. So be on the lookout. All right, chat. But I appreciate you being here today. Peace and love. Have a great session. Have a good weekend. Stay safe. Thanks for hosting, Don. Of course. Thanks for coming. Thanks for coming. It was good content. Yeah. Thanks. We have a whole storyline now. Yeah. It's all good. Four-part stream series special. See you on Monday, man. See you on Monday, guys. All right. Thank you guys, everybody. Take care.
No angel, but you got a halo. When it's nights like this, I really wanna be right here. I really wanna take you there. When it's nights like this, I really wanna be right here. I really wanna take you there. It was nights like this, feeling right like this. I never really spent no time like this, Your second time at the crib, knowing I might not hit. You said what I look like my bitch, yeah. Looking in your eyes, shit is dangerous. The pussy wet, I call it angel dust. I done put so many diamond chains on you, they get tangled up. I never felt like this, is strange as fuck. Got your ex nigga calling, but he can't do much. Cause you with the kid now, LMA booed up. And all you gotta do is call and watch that Ray pull up. Under the stars since they throwing all this shade on us. Facts. Woo. You feel the vibe is contagious. Look in your eyes, shit is dangerous. Grateful I had all the patience. I know you're going through some changes. You taking pictures, know your angles. Ooh, no, we ain't perfect, but we damn close. Ooh, you give me something I can pay for. That's what it's like loving you feel a vibe, I'm deep inside, yeah. You fucking me, ooh, I let you ride, yeah. At first you curved me, I let you slide in. Your hips so curvy, you let me slide in, ooh. And it was over once I flipped you over. Relation goer, we come through just like Beyonce Hova. This the Hermes money, this ain't no fashion over. You said your ass had you depressed, and I'm just glad that's over. Cause now you rockin' with a real one. And when I'm in it, you be maxing on 1,000,000. And when I hit it back to back, you make me still come. I know them bitches hating on you, we gon' kill them. That's facts. You feel the vibe is contagious.
Look in your eyes, shit is dangerous. Grateful I had all the patience. I know you're going through some changes. You taking pictures, know your angles. Ooh, no, we ain't perfect, but we damn close. Ooh, you give me something I can pay for. That's what it's like loving you. Hey, you know you bad, babe. You know I laugh at these shorties that try to attach, babe. You from the project, but so exotic. Just give me all of that pussy, so many options. Girl, you got me calling all these different numbers. Why you being selfish? You know that I want you. You really been working. You deserve a Birkin. Girl, you so contagious. Damn, that's just so dangerous. You feel the vibe is contagious. Look in your eyes, shit is dangerous. Grateful I had all the patience. I know you're going through some changes. You taking pictures, know your angles. Ooh, no, we ain't perfect, but we damn close. Ooh, you give me something I can pay for. That's what it's like loving you.